Thanks, Brandis. A Chicago parking garage is being shut down for long-delayed repairs in the wake of the Surfside, Florida tragedy. The maker of Weber barbecue grills files to go public, and a major apartment sale signals a quickly recovering downtown market. Here to go behind the headlines is Crain Chicago business reporter Danny Ecker. Danny, good to see you. With that first story, the city is closing the parking garage at 111 East Chestnut Street after Crain's had reported it was long due for repairs. Obviously, people have the Surfside tragedy in their minds. What exactly is going on with this facility?
Right. So the parking structure is at the bottom of a 57-story condo tower in the Gold Coast. And one of our reporters, Dennis Rodkin, put a spotlight last week on the fact that an engineering consultant back in 2018 issued a report that said that the concrete support columns of this garage had to be repaired as soon as possible. It was a safety hazard. And after the recent building collapse in Surfside, Florida, I mean, the residents in this building were telling Cranes that they feared for their safety. Actually, the same engineering firm wrote to the association that owns the garage saying, look, you guys got to get this done. This is still a hazard. Then over the weekend, the city's buildings department said the association agreed to shut down the garage and do the repairs. So apparently that work is being done. But this was a close to home impact, really, of the tragedy in Florida. And certainly, as you mentioned, safety and building maintenance right now are top of mind given the news, especially for anybody that lives in an older high rise in the city.
Certainly condo associations and city inspectors paying much closer attention to that right now. Another story, Crain's reported, Weber Grills based in Palatine. The company filed for an IPO. Why did it decide to go public, and how much is it worth?
Well, it could be somewhere between $4 and $6 billion. That's according to Bloomberg. And the reason is the company's sales have just been on fire. I mean, Weber reported $1 billion almost in sales in the 6 months ending in March. That was 60% higher than it was for the same period last year, which was pre-pandemic. So people are buying grills, just like they are spending a lot more money on other things related to home life, spending a lot more time at home. And by the way, one of the biggest shareholders in Weber is BDT Capital Partners, a Chicago investment firm. So they could be in line for a nice windfall if the IPO goes as planned.
Interesting. People working from home, people grilling from home a little more, benefiting Palatine-based Weber. Okay, lastly, a San Francisco investment firm bought a two-tower apartment complex in Streeterville. What's significant about this purchase?
So it's MCclure Court. It's a nearly 1,100 unit property on Ontario Street. It just sold for what's said to be close to $200 million, which would make it the biggest sale of a Chicago multifamily property this year. The significance is it's one of the most visible signs so far that the downtown apartment market is really recovering quickly from the pandemic. Occupancies and rents at downtown apartments have been growing at a decent clip after they plunged early in the pandemic. And it's giving investors a lot more confidence in future demand for downtown apartments, which, is it's an important indicator when you think about the health and vibrancy of the central business district moving forward.
Yeah, home sales up, and now we see apartment occupancy going well. Good signs for the economy. All right, Danny Ecker, thank you as always.
Sure thing, Paris. Thanks a lot.